Hi, welcome to Onetouch Networks. Today we'll be providing you a tutorial on how to create an auto attendant in the AT&T Collaborate Business Center web portal. Let's begin. On my screen, you will see the AT&T Collaborate homepage. We'll focus on the window that's called Service Actions located on the bottom right-hand corner. And we'll select the link Auto Attendant. This will bring us to a page that shows any active auto attendant in our account. It will also allow us to create a new auto attendant by clicking on the button located on the left-hand side. Next, we will see a page that allows us to build the profile of our new auto attendant. First, we'll select the number. This becomes our pilot number for the auto attendant. Then we'll give it a name. We can also select the department or leave it as none. And then select the time zone. For us, it's Pacific time. Business hours, we'll select all day and every day. Now, you have the ability, once the profile is created or now, to make any changes to the default settings. And just for our tutorial, we'll leave the default settings pretty much intact. And you can go back anytime once you create the auto attendant to make any changes. I'm opening up all the sections so that you see what options are there for you to select once you have your profile built. The last section is the administration section. This allows you to upload any customized greeting for your auto attendant. Once you're done, we'll click Add, and you would see that a success window will pop up telling us that our auto attendant has successfully been created. Next, what we'll do is we'll create or configure the menu options in the auto attendant. As you'll see, you will find there's a new section called Main Menu. And for our tutorial, we'll just focus on the business hour menu, and we'll configure that menu today. By clicking on the Manage button, this will lead us to a page where we can select the greeting the customer would hear, or the callers would hear, and we'll choose the custom greeting. We can also select or check the box which allows callers to dial an extension after they hear the greeting rather than pressing one of the options or the key assignments you see below. By default, key 0 is for the operator. That cannot be changed. And then for keys 1 and 2, we will basically configure them for our sales department and for service department. For actions, these calls will then be transferred either with the prompt or no prompt to the number that the sales departments are associated to the sales and service departments. Normally, these are the pilot hunt group numbers for those departments. Now, we can also create or have the option for callers to dial by name by selecting 3, and also by selecting for dial by extension. There are other options that you can choose and from the drop-down menu that you see. And once we're done, we can save these changes and exit. There. And you can see there's another success pop-up window that tells us that our menu that we've just created has been successfully configured. Okay, so we'll go back to the screen that shows all the active auto attendants in our account, and you should see 2 active accounts now. There we go. So the second one is the one that we just created, and anyone that dials the pilot number, which normally is the main number of a business, you will access the auto attendant and have options to select the different departments and features that you have configured for that auto attendant. And that is it. We've just created a new auto attendant. We've also configured the menu options of the auto attendant. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us or provide us a comment in the comment box below. And if you like our tutorial today, remember to give us a like. Also, we'll be adding additional tutorials in the months ahead, so please subscribe to our